Hi, welcome to AppExchange Mavericks. My name is Jared Kingston. I'm a Salesforce MVP and the VP of Solution Engineering at 7 Summits in IBM Company. I'm thrilled to be joined today with Johan Boström of Inriver. Thank you for joining us today, Johan. Could you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about Inriver?
Yes, absolutely. So my name is Johan Boström. I'm the co-founder and chief product officer of Inriver. Inriver empowers organizations to create, to maintain, monitor, analyze, and optimize revenue-driving product information for all customer touchpoints, from Salesforce to retailers and leading marketplaces, and it's all delivered as a true software as a service solution.
That's awesome. Thanks, Johan. So tell me, what would you say makes the combination of Salesforce and your solution so powerful?
Well, first and foremost, it's a set of tightly integrated services that caters to the needs of both B2B and B2C organizations. Secondly, it comes with a built-in syndication tool and a digital shelf analytics tool that creates prescriptive analytics and helps and guides the users to know the next best move.
That sounds really great. Could we see a demo of that?
Sure, Jared, let me show you.
This is the product overview page for a Razer laptop in the Inriver Enrich module. As you can see, this single page provides a 360-degree snapshot of the entire universe of the product. Because of Inriver's Salesforce Lightning Connector, any edit or update you make to a product from within this platform will seamlessly and automatically be reflected in your own Salesforce Lightning instance. First though, let's talk about why you might want to make an edit or an update to an existing product. This is Inriver's Evaluate module, a digital shelf analytics tool that allows you to audit your product content across all selling channels. The main use case for Evaluate will be to look at product content across all your retailers and marketplaces, but it can also be used to look at the content on your own e-commerce platforms. This is the same product we were just looking at in the Enrich module. You can see that the title is incorrect, indicated by the red X. If we drill down further, we can find out why. Clicking into the title, we can see that the term black should show up somewhere in the product name, but it does not. We can use the insights we find in Evaluate to guide the updates we make in the Enrich module. I simply click into the product name, add the term black, and save. After it is saved, I can go to my Salesforce Lightning instance and find the same product. You'll notice that the product is missing the term black in its name. After I hit refresh, the product has been updated to reflect the changes I made in Inriver, guided by the digital shelf analytics feedback. This is how you can use insights from the Evaluate module to guide the updates you make to products that are then automatically reflected in Salesforce Lightning using our integration.
Thanks so much for showing that to us, Johan. It looks like a really innovative solution. So what would you say makes Inriver unique from the other solutions out there?
It is that it combines enterprise-class product information management, digital asset management, syndication, digital shelf analytics, print, and so much more into one single software as a service solution that is always kept up to date. You're always on the latest, greatest version, ready to leapfrog your competition.
That's really interesting. It sounds like you have quite the list of differentiators there within your solution. Tell me, where do you see your customers finding the most value out of Inriver today?
Well, most of the combined Salesforce Inriver customers are well-known brands and well-known retailers, but a lot of them are also within the B2B industries. And they, of course, sell via B2B commerce initiatives in-store, B2C commerce initiatives, and, of course, syndicate to retailers and marketplaces. This is kind of the combined scenario for most of them that we solve for together with Salesforce.
Wow, it sounds like your customers are finding a lot of value in the solution you're providing them. What would you say are some of the biggest trends you're seeing, in this ever-growing world where commerce is such a big deal? Where are you seeing trends at?
I think the biggest trend we see right now is that commerce is going composable or headless or API first, if you so will. The second one is that we need more analytics. There's a need to guide the users so that they know the next best move and actually can move that revenue needle.
what's the best way for someone to learn more about how Inriver could help their organization?
Well, it would be to go to the Salesforce App Exchange and search for Inriver, and you will find our integrations to the different Salesforce clouds there. So thank you so much, Jared, for speaking to me today.
It's been my pleasure, Johan. Thanks so much for joining me today on App Exchange Mavericks.